Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure the SIM is seated in the primary slot, the account is active, and battery is at least 20% so the phone won't die mid-fix. Next, power off, remove and inspect the SIM for damage or dirt, clean with a soft cloth. Once done, reinsert firmly and boot to check signal bars. If prompted for a PIN, enter it. If the device shows emergency calls only, proceed to the next slide for deeper checks. You now dig into software and network layers. Turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds, then turn it off to force a fresh network search. If that fails, go to Settings Mobile Networks and set network selection to automatic so the device re-registers. Also reset the APN to carrier defaults because incorrect APN can block registration. Make sure to test the SIM in another unlocked phone and test a different SIM in your phone to determine. For final remediation, update carrier settings and install any pending phone OS updates. These often restore proper network handlers. If problems persist, request a SIM reprovision or replacement from your carrier and ask them to verify your IMEI isn't blacklisted. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset to clear stubborn software faults. If reset fails, seek professional repair for antenna or SIM reader faults. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see emergency calls only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.